Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is C Programming Language, chapter number 3, Array and String, part 1. Learning course outcomes are array, properties of array, advantages of array, disadvantages of array, declaration and initialization of array, types of array, one dimensional array, two dimensional array, and multi-dimensional array. Array. An array is defined as the collection of similar type of data. An array is defined as the collection of similar type of data items stored at a continuous memory location. That means array is a collection of data which store the data at the continuous location, not a separate location. Array are the derived data type in a C programming language which can store the primitive types of data such as integer, character, double, float, etc. It has the capacity to store the collection of derived data types such as pointers, structures, etc. So array is a kind of data structure that can store a fixed size sequential collection. It stores the fixed size sequential collection of data items which are the similar data type. The array is the simplest data structure where each element can be randomly accessed by its index number. The definition of array is a collection of variables having the same data type referred by the same name. Array is a collection of variables having a same data type referred by the same name. The example is array ARR array. This is the ARR is the name of the variable. In square bracket there is a number is 0. So here we give the number of or the size of the array which is the index element to be accessed. So array of 0, that means we are accessing the element of array of 0th position. Properties of array. Array contains the following properties are: each element of an array is of same data type and carries the same size, that is integer is equals to 4 bytes. Second property is element of an array stored at a continuous location where the first element is stored at the smallest memory location. And the third property is elements of the array can be randomly accessed since we can calculate the address of each element of the array with the given base address and the size of the data element. Advantages of array. Code optimization. The less code to the access the data. That means we don't have to give each and every character of the word. So here the code optimization means we can give a less code and access the all data. Ease of transversing. By using the for loop we can retrieve the element of array easily. That means we can retrieve by index number any data. Ease of sorting. To sort the element of an array we need a few lines of code. And random access, we can access any element randomly by using the array. Disadvantages are it is a fixed size. That means whenever we want to change, if we give the size of the variable at the beginning, that time that this is the fixed size for that variable. So if the variable size is exceed, then we can't exceed the limit. So we can doesn't grow the size of dynamically like linked list. So this is the disadvantage of array. And second is the insertion and deletion of element. The insertion and the deletion of element can be costly since the elements are needed to be managed in accordance with the new memory location. Declaration and initialization of array. Declaration of array. The syntax is declaration means we just have to declare a array name, the array and their data type. So the syntax is data type, array name, in square bracket we give the size of the array. Example is int, variable name, that is array name is a marks and the size of the array is 5. So here int is a data type, marks is the array name and 5 is the array size. Then initialization of array. Initialization means when we declare the array including their value. The initialization is the simplest way of using the index of each element. The syntax is array name in square bracket array size is equals to value. For example, marks size is 0 and is equals to 80. That means at the 0th position of mark array the value is 80. Types of array. There are the 3 types of array and they are one dimensional array, that is 1D array, two dimensional array, that is 2D array, and multi-dimensional array. One dimensional array, that is 1D array. An array with a single subscript is called as a one dimensional array. That means single subscript is square bracket. It's a subscript. So syntax is data type array name in subscript array size. So when a array have only one subscript, that means this is a one dimensional array. And the declaration syntax is data type array name and array size. For example, int age and size is 5, character string and size is 10. Initialization syntax is, that means initialization means we are giving the value of the array. So here the syntax is data type array name array size is equals to value. So int age have a 5 size, it's a 5 size of array. So value are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a character strings has a size is 10. That means we are give the size of the array less than 10 or equal to 10. We are not exceed the limit. That is, here we give the hey message in the string array HAI. Array accessing syntax, that means we are accessing the data one by one, or whatever index number will given, it is accessed by the array. So syntax is array name and index. Index means the number of the array size. So here int age variable, the size is 5. So index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The array number starts from the 0 only. So age of 0, age of 1, age of 2, age of 3 and age of 4. And the character string is string str of 0, character str of 1 and character str of 2. So 0th position accessing the H element, H word alphabet. First position accessing the A alphabet and second position accessing the I alphabet. Here is the structure of one dimensional array. The left hand side is the structure of array, that is the memory location of array. So int a of 6, the size of the array is 6. That means a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4 and a of 5. The index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The set of boxes of the same data type, it is an integer and the size of the array is a of 10. So it's representing its box different element in same row. So here's the array size is 6. So row format of the 1D arrays look like that, which is showing in the right hand side image, and the column format of the 1D array is a vertical and the row format of the 1D array is a horizontal. two-dimensional array. The two-dimensional array is nothing but the array of array. It's an array of array. An array with no two subscript is called a two-dimensional array. The array have a two subscript is called a 2D array. That is a two-dimensional array. It is used in a matrix operation. The syntax of the 2D array is data type, array name, number of rows, number of columns. The first subscript have a number of rows and the second subscript have a number of columns. The structure of the array is the row 0, row 1 and row 2, and row 0, column 0, column 1 and column 2. So if for example, X is the name of the array and the rows size is 3 and column size is 3. So 3 by 3 array is given. So the value of the index is X of 0, 0 in a row, 0th position, X of 0, 1, X of 0, 2. In row 1, the index value is X of 1, 0, X of 1, 1, X of 1, 2. And in row 2, X of 2, 0, X of 2, 1 and X of 2, 2. Array declaration. It's same as 1D array, data type, array name, number of rows and number of column. Example is int array 2, 2. The row size is 2 and column size is 2. Two-dimensional array initialization. Data type, array name 2 of 2, that is equals to the value of the 2D array is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. For example, 2D array value is 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So here, when we are accessing the elements of the 2D array of size 2 and 2, so array of 0, 0 having the value is 1, array of 0, 1 having the value is 2, and array of 1, 0 having the value is 3, and then last is array of 1, 1 which have the value of 4. Then the third type of array is a multi-dimensional array. The C programming language allows a multi-dimensional array. An array with more than 2 subscripts. The array with more than 2 subscripts is called multi-dimensional array. So here is a general form of the multi-dimensional array declaration is type of, that is the data type, array name, in subscripts have a size 1, size 2 up to the size n. In multi-dimensional array we are learning is 3D array. So in an array with 3 subscript is called 3-dimensional array. Sorry, here's a typing mistake. The array having a 3 subscript is called a 3-dimensional array. It is used in a matrix operation. The syntax is data type, array name, size 1, size 2 and size 3. Here is not given a column number, row number, etc. It's a size 1, size 2 and size 3. For example, int array, the size 1 is 3, size 2 is 3 and size 3 is 3. Thank you.